practicing today on Lake Conroe. We'll be riding the TRIXX again. And then there's gonna be several other TRIXX here. Well, 2 more other TRIXX and then maybe another Spark, but we'll see how that goes. Yesterday when I got back from the dock, to the dock to load it on the trailer, I went to go start it. It went into limp home mode. I don't know what the hell, it wasn't limping, it wasn't doing anything. So then I had to jump out, swim, and push the ski from the dock to the trailer to get it on. So I went home soaking wet. And I was thinking, well, maybe it's the fuel and all this other stuff. Checked the oil, checked everything was good. Turns out it was the battery, jumping the battery. So I'm not gonna be able to really start and stop this thing. I have to let it try to charge up and see what's going on with it. We brought the jumper just in case and a tow rope anyways, so that'll be good. Stay right there. Hey, so for safety reasons, I was laughing, right? I was like, did she really put her hand up? And then she's, oh, what's up? I
knew I'd see you out here.
Yeah, Dave lives over here in the canal. Yeah. It's the battery. It's battery? Yeah, it's the battery. I jumped it and it started up. Yeah.
Was it a loose connection?
No, I think there's something draining it. Maybe something's draining it. Yeah. There's Dave. That's Steven.
What's up, brother? What's up, man? Doing all right? All right? How you liking that machine?
She's probably gonna freak out right now. You're doing good. Lear, going fast. Yeah. Party cold, here we come.
Let's go. Nah, we ain't never gonna
Did good. I said you did good. Yeah. I was like, oh my gosh, she's probably freaking out right now. You want to fish? Are you hungry? Okay guys, remember my other video, Party Cove? Well, this is what Party Cove kind of looks like. It's not as packed as normal, but as you can see, there's boats everywhere, jet skis. Of course, keep your safe distance still. We all can be on the water. I mean, there's no need to touch each other, and there's no need to be within 5-6 feet of each other. I mean, shit, most of the time I'm not even like that with people. Earlier, some guy tried to give me a hug to say hello, and I was like, back up. I put my arms out like that.
End up horizontal. They know they want something more. They know they want something more. They've never heard us before. They've never heard us.
Yeah, straight. Don't hit the tree. Just give it some gas and power it off.
It's hard to ignore. It's time to even the score. Everybody like the hate. Everybody like the hate. Rock and roll in the lane. Rock and roll in the lane. Hitting hella crazy. Hitting hella crazy. Nobody like the hate. Nobody like the I know that you want it, you know that I got it. So let's get up on it, I'm ready to go. When the place is knocking, I don't plan on stopping. Baby, keep on rocking, put on a show. Let's go, yeah, we going off on a Tuesday. Gonna go all out till a new day. Turn it up so loud, what you say? Got the whole place filled out like a Zoom-mate. Her parents told her not to stay out too late, but when I come to pick her up, already too late. Where we headed now? Yes, too great. Party down south, get ready for a new stage. They know they want something more. They know they want something more. They've never heard us before. They've never heard us before. A sound that's hard to ignore. A sound that's hard to ignore. It's time to even the score. Everybody like the lady. Everybody like the lady. Rock and roll and
Time to use the sandbar. Are you okay? Yeah. You like it? I saw you. I just busted out laughing my ass. Iris, go on. Go, bye. Oh, she said bye. Ah, look at her. She's leaving me behind. Ah, that bitch is going fast. Huh? Straight, right there. Okay, you're doing good. I said she left me behind. Straight, right there, that area, that cove. There's other tricks over there too. Yeah. If y'all come out, you know this. In that cove, there's another sandbar, like an island. Like an island. Yeah. What's your name? Clayton. All right. Nice meeting you. All right. Oh yeah, but it's okay. You gotta take it. Karina, you having fun? Oh, she's enjoying their ride by herself. Why don't you stand up a little?
Yeah, I'm not there yet.
Oh, okay. Oh! Careful! I came in pretty hot. I didn't want to mess with it again where I was like with the beaching and stuff like that. And oh, look at Twinkies. Twinkies. This is how you beach a ski. You won't have to fuck with it later. Try it again, but give it a little